Hello everyone, this is Beverly Black and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making the Icebox Lemon Drop Cake. This is a very lemony, Lemon-IE cake. It is full of the lemon flavor. And thank everyone who has stopped by today who want to learn how to make this cake. And what you would need is one box of the perfect moist lemon supreme by Duncan Hines, the signature brand, one box of lemon pie filling, 1 cup of buttermilk, a 1/3 cup of lemon juice, 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of oil, 1 cup of water. And those are the ingredients for the cake. So we're going to start mixing them together now. First, we will need to mix together the dry ingredients, that is the cake mix and the lemon pudding. We'll put it in a bowl together. 1 box of cake mix. This is a good cake, and for those who love lemon flavor, oh, you're gonna love this. You're gonna love this with that glaze on top. Oh my goodness, it is delicious. So let's put this lemon pudding in. Okay. We'll mix it all together. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients together. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So go ahead and do that. You'll need a 9 by 13 dish. And go ahead and grease it or flour it, whatever you want to do. Now we'll put the buttermilk, which is 1 cup of buttermilk. Buttermilk. 1 cup of water. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. 1/3 cup of lemon juice. And 3 eggs. And I have fresh eggs. Woohoo! Okay, let's put them in here. 3 of them. Look at this one, the spotted egg. Okay, 3 eggs. And I'm gonna use my hand mixer today. And we're going to mix this all together. This right here, the wet ingredients. Especially with these eggs in here. And mix it up good. It's not hard to make at all. Okay, and now we're going to put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. We're going to pour the wet ingredients over into the dry. And then we're going to mix it all up together. I hope everyone is doing well today. Everything's going your way. Because this cake is going to top your day off. We got it all mixed together. See there? I'll mix it up a little more. There it is. Ooh, almost knocked it over. Okay. And now we're gonna pour it into our 9 by 13 dish. Some of it didn't come in all together. Let me mix it. Make sure it's all mixed up together. See how those fresh eggs are going to do in this cake. It should be good. Okay, and pour it into the dish, and we're going to bake it about 35 to 40 minutes in a 350 degrees oven. And when the cake gets done, I'll be back and we'll put the glaze on it. Make sure it's evenly distributed in your pan. And this is ready to go in the oven. So when the cake is done, I will be back so you can see. We can put the glaze on top. I'll be back. Okay, the lemon cake is out of the oven and we're getting ready to put the glaze on it. And you need to put the glaze on while the cake is a little warm. And the glaze consists of 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of water, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and you mix it together. It may be more glaze here than what we might need, and you can refrigerate the extra and just pour it on your cake as you eat it. Okay, it's all mixed up. This is a very sweet glaze, so you don't want to put a lot of it. Oh, I knocked it out of view. Hold on. As I said, this is a very sweet glaze, so you don't want to put a whole lot on it. You can save the rest. Well, I may use all of it. Let's see, let's spread it on over. And if you want it a little thinner, just add a little more water to it to make it a little thinner. And keep it in the refrigerator. I am putting it all on. Sorry, I had the camera going the other direction. It is still warm. There it is with the glaze on it. Okay, let's cut a small slice and see how it looks, because it's still warm. And and I want to put it in the refrigerator. It's glazed. Will you look at there? Will you just look at there? There it is. Thank you for everyone who come to watch this video today. I hope you try this recipe. For those who are lemon lovers, this is it. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. Remember that I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are His masterpiece. Be blessed.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous, getting ready for my miracle.